never stop. K is for kite, flying in the sky, twisting and turning way up high. Colors so bright, it dances free. Look at me, says the kite with glee. K is for kitten, soft and sweet. Paws go pitter on tiny feet. She hides in the kitchen, playing peek. With a cookie she tries to sneak. K is for king with a golden crown, rides through the castle, up and down. Sits on a throne with royal flair, waves to the people everywhere. K is for kangaroo, jump, 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 bouncing high with the thumpity-thump, carrying her joey in her pouch so tight. Cuckoo, what a joyful sight. Cuckoo, sing with me. He's kind and full of glee. Kites fly high and kangas hop. Hey, cuckoo will never stop.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.